as snow. Oh, yes, he did. For nothing good have I, whereby thy grace to claim. I'll wash my garments white in the blood of Calvary's Lamb. And when before the throne I stand in Him complete, Jesus died my soul to save. My lips shall still repeat, oh, Jesus paid it all to Him I owe. Sin had left the crimson stain, He washed it white as snow. Oh, Jesus paid it all to Him I owe. Sin had left the crimson stain, He washed it white as snow. Oh, yes, He did. Washed it white as snow. Jesus washed my sin white as snow. Jesus paid it all.
Walking home and talking low, singing songs in evening clothes with you. From nervous times and getting drunk, to staying up and waking up with you. Now we're sleeping at the edge, holding something we don't need. This delusion in our heads is gonna bring us to our knees. So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you? And now me. Everything that's wrong, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you? And now me. Throwing clothes across the floor, to teething cars and slamming doors at you. If this is all we're living for, why are we doing it anymore? I used to recognize myself. It's funny how reflections change. We're becoming something else. I think it's time to walk away. So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why will you be you? And I need everything that's wrong. Leave it to take your hand inside and you're just on the one. No force on earth can make it feel right. No. Oh, trying to push this problem up the hill, it's just too heavy to hold. Think now's the time to let it slide. So come on, let it go. Oh, just let it go. Why do you